Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e a dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Corinthian Bronze. This vehicle has a plethora of optional extras, so make sure you check these in the description below. Starting from the front, where we'll find the LED headlights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, we'll see further features courtesy of the black exterior pack, such as your black Range Rover badges, black bonnet louvres and black wing mirrors, as it sits proudly on a set of 19-inch gloss dark grey alloys with a diamond-turned contrast. To the rear, you'll notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the power tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or a canine companion. You'll also notice your two charging cables, one for public use and one for domestic charging. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality and comfort of their Kvadrat Textile ebony seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Rear passengers will also enjoy their own heated seat systems as well as their own climate control systems. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your 14-way driver memory, heated and cooled electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, trip computer and your heads-up display, which can be demonstrated here by my finger. Advancing over now to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 360 parking aid and your 3D surround camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this large SUV is like second nature. You'll further be able to access heated and cooled seat functions, as well as further climate control systems which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to look into your cabin air purification pro, which has further features which include allergen reduction and pathogen removal. You'll also be able to access your electric vehicle modes, which will certainly come in handy within this electric vehicle, such as your battery life, energy usage and your charging capacity. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your clear sight interior rear view mirror and your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.